Hey everybody, how you doing? Quincy Lee here, CEO and founder of Electric Era. Our company builds the PowerNode EV fast charging station. This includes everything that you can see behind me other than the Rivian station that we built for Quik Charge. Quik Charge is a local company here in Boston. They're building charging stations all around the Boston community, and we're proud to be working with them today. Hey everybody, let's do some charging here. I'm going to kind of give you a little bit tutorial about how this all works as well. So we're charging a Rivian R1S, which is an amazing car. The Rivian has these nice three little ridges here that usually open up. There we go. Okay, go ahead and start the session here. So a little pro tip, sometimes the connector won't dock properly, so I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to line up the port into the socket and then give it a nice push. So line it up and then punch it in. So I just paid with a Visa or a MasterCard, but we also support Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, etc. Everything underneath the sun. All right, the Rivian's charging up, and it's a beast of a car, so it's pulling a ton of power. The Rivian can charge at, I think, 200 ohms worth of power. It pulls all that. Unfortunately, that power level exceeds what is provided by the local grid infrastructure. So over here, you can see the transformers up on that pole over there. That's providing about 84 kilowatts of power to the station. That is not enough. The Rivian wants more. Then that's where our battery system comes in. Our company specializes in battery-backed EV fast charging technology. Hey everybody, welcome to the Nerd Zone. This is where all the magic happens at an EV fast charging station. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of pieces and kind of explain a few really important things. So the utility power comes in off the electrical pole, then goes into these circuit breakers so that we have electrical protection. That's also very importantly a power meter so that the utility can read how much energy is being sold at the charging station. That's a really important part of this whole process. And the very important part of the battery. So as I mentioned earlier, the grid's not providing enough power for the cars, and our company has a battery backing our PowerNode charging station. What does that mean, battery backing? Why does that matter? Well, as opposed to having a battery inside the charger and having power going into the battery and then into the car, our battery-backed charging station design feeds a shared common pool of power that can combine with the grid to feed the charger. Way more sessions per day and ultimately improve our customers' economics. So it consists of a lithium-ion battery pack that has 233 kWh of energy. And it also includes a converter so that the DC power inside the battery can be converted to AC before going into the charger, which then gets converted to DC to go back into the car. And then very importantly, in this bay right here, we have our edge compute system. So what is it? Edge compute is basically a fancy way of saying it's a computer on site that runs autonomously and collects data every 20 milliseconds so that we can quickly discern what is happening at the charging station. So let's say a power module inside the charger is disrupted. We can quickly triage that, recycle it, and get the charging session on its way, all within milliseconds. How we create a very reliable charging experience. It's also how we do energy management. So that edge computer also levels the load. It dynamically load manages everything that's coming in from the grid, combining with the battery to deliver what the car needs. And on that note, let's go over and check out how the Rivian's doing. We're all finished up here. I also am all full. I got some delicious shawarma and shakes. That place actually has delicious shawarma, and I'd highly encourage you to go try it out. The Rivian charging session is all done. We're at about 84% state of charge. That's more than enough for where I'm going. So I'm gonna go ahead and button everything up here and then get on my way. Give my charging session a 5-star. It was a great experience. Thank you, Electric Era team. I don't need my receipt, so I'm just gonna end it. And I'm done. All right, take care, everybody.